Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to get Minty Mutation in Fisch step by step. Start by locating healthy Minty candidates and mark them, then prepare a calm breeding tank with soft substrate and gentle flow. Use low-stress handling and consistent water parameters to encourage expression. Introduce selective pairing over multiple cycles and monitor offspring for Minty traits, documenting each change to refine your approach. Set up your tank with stable filtration and gentle circulation, aiming for parameters that reduce stress and support fry development. Offer high-quality, varied foods to boost parent health and reproductive readiness, and keep lighting consistent to avoid shocking fish. Trim plants and provide hiding spaces to increase comfort during spawning, then plan mating pairs based on observed traits and lineage to maximize chances of Minty mutation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and updates. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. I use it during long tank sessions, and it keeps me focused. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin controlled pairings with selected parents showing Minty hints, and collect eggs or fry carefully to a dedicated rearing tank. Feed fry tiny, nutrient-rich foods and maintain pristine water to promote healthy development of color traits. As juveniles grow, separate those with strongest mint expression for future breeding while culling weak or unrelated variants, and continuously refine pairings based on results and documented lineage success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.